Hi, in this video we will learn how to deactivate Facebook page. So simply click on the Facebook option and here you can click on the Facebook profile and simply change your profile to Facebook page profile. So click on Facebook page profile, click on setting and navigate to the bottom, and here you can see multiple options. So simply click on access and control. Here you will see a two option like deactivate page and delete page. So click on delete page. So here you will get a different reasons. Select any one reason which you want to delete your page. So by clicking on continue option, it will redirect you to Facebook password. So by clicking or entering a Facebook password, you can easily delete your page. So let's check how we can deactivate a page. Click on deactivate and there are different reasons comes out over here. So select any one of them and click on continue, then again select continue. It will redirect you to the deactivation page. So in this way you can click on deactivate, you can simply deactivate your page. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure subscribe my channel, like and comments.